In today's video, we're diving into the best app info apps for Android that help you manage and understand your installed applications. If you want to take control of your app management, stick around as we explore these fantastic tools. App Info Store Android. App Info Store Android is a powerful app that allows users to access comprehensive information about the applications installed on their devices. It presents a user-friendly interface where users can easily browse through their apps to view details such as app versions, sizes, permissions, and installation dates. With this app, users can also check for updates and view developer information, making it a valuable tool for keeping apps up to date. Additionally, App Info Store offers features like quick uninstall options and search functionality, allowing users to manage their app library efficiently. This app is perfect for those who want in-depth insights into their app collection. App Info Checker. App Info Checker is a streamlined application designed to provide essential information about installed apps on Android devices. The app displays data such as storage usage, permissions, and battery consumption for each app, helping users identify which apps may be consuming excess resources or affecting performance. With its straightforward design, users can navigate easily and search for specific applications quickly. App Info Checker also allows users to share app details with others, making it a practical choice for users who want a clear and concise view of their app information without unnecessary complexity. App System Info. App System Info stands out as a comprehensive application that not only provides information about installed apps, but also delivers valuable insights into the device's overall performance. Users can access detailed reports on system information, including CPU usage, memory statistics, storage capacity, and battery health. This app enables users to monitor how applications impact device performance in real time. The detailed graphs and statistics make it an excellent tool for tech-savvy users looking to optimize their devices. App System Info is beneficial for those who want to manage their applications while keeping an eye on their device's health and performance. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of App Info Store Android, App Info Checker, and App System Info helps you find the perfect app info solution for your needs. Until next time, happy managing.